Ever since he ascended the throne of his forefathers as the 51st OONI of Ife in November last year, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi has left no one in doubt about his commitment to the unity of the Yoruba race and of course the empowerment of his people. And this time around is the turn of the widows. The empowerment became necessary because of the prevalence of poverty in the land, especially among women who lost their husbands during the Ife Modakeke War. These widows are from across Ife land, including Modakeke. They are grouped into 5 cooperative societies, with each society credited with 500,000 naira for the benefit of the members. More than 17,000 widows currently benefit from the empowerment scheme, and Ooni Adeyeye Ogunwusi says more are going to be accommodated.
We're not only looking at Ife, we're looking at the entire state and the entire country as a whole. We want to have a very strong, formidable platform that we will piggyback on it. We can use the model and take to different states for them to see how it's working. We are taking a lot of youth and women back to the farm. Cocoa, we have very large cocoa plantation, cashew plantation.
We have a program where it's providing employment for about 6,000 youth. Some of them will serve as food vendors, some of them will operate restaurants. There are various areas, depending on their line of business, on their occupations, on their vocations, that the KBC is trying to engage them.
To the beneficiaries, the gesture will go a long way in alleviating their sufferings.
Most of our business has already ruined in Ife due to lack of finance. So we pray that God will help him to do his promise for every one of the women in Ife and his environment.
In Ife, it's very bad before. This cooperative, this in our palace, is very, very good.
The empowerment scheme is being handled by the House of Oduduwa Foundation, brainchild of Ooni Adeyeye Ogunwusi. Ibrahim Alige, TVC News, Ile-Ife, Osun State.